New Kingston FC stole the last semi-final spot from Bull Bay FC for the KSAFA Major League after their 1-1 draw with Pembroke Hall in their rescheduled game on Wednesday. Coming into the contest on 14 points, one behind the fourth-place Bull Bay, New Kingston only needed to avoid defeat to secure a place in the last four. They were given the perfect start as Latre Harris gave them a 17th-minute lead. With victory in sight, New Kingston had a nervous end to the game as Pembroke Hall levered through Adriano English with 12 minutes of regulation time left. New Kingston managed to prevent a Pembroke Hall comeback as the game ended 1 apiece, giving them the point needed to draw level with Bull Bay.
All right, we only needed a point, and we got a hard-fought point. You see me? So we're through to the semifinals. We will be playing Marvally. They top the zone. We will be playing them, but we fear nobody. You see me? I say, yeah, man. The bigger the challenge, ready for it. You see me?
You know, we got many chances in the game, but we didn't put them away. You know, so that caused us to get a point from the game today.
They climbed above Bull Bay on goal difference and kept their hopes of advancing to the KSAFA Championship alive.